What's going on, guys? So today I am going to be making a small video on how to change my camber kit on my setup. As you can tell, my rears are a little camber, and I've actually started getting some wear after rotating them every 4,000 miles. I started getting some wear on my tire, so I decided to go and get my rear camber kit from eBay. Right now my current setup is 235/50 17s, so I'm gonna go a little smaller sidewall, see if I can lower it just a tad bit, and then drop the car a little bit more. I will be putting the same specs on the front, but at the moment I only got 2 of them. I want to see how they work out. If not, I'll go back to the 50s. So let's get to it. I've already unboxed these, but I'll show you what it came. These are straight eBay camber kit. Funny story. So for any of my 97 to 01 CRV owners, this is from a 96 to 2000 Honda Civic camber kit. Again, everybody's complaining about these CRVs is that only TrueHar is the only one that kind of offers camber kits for them. So I went on the cheap side and just got these 96 to 2000 Honda Civic camber kits. And I've opened this one up because, again, in one hand here, but I like everything about these. The build seems quality. The bushings are really good. Not like it's gonna need any for the suspension or anything like that, but they're just camber kits. But the build is really well, compared to those like cheap eBay ones. I mean, again, this is cheap eBay, but I looked through a bunch of them out there and I found these, and I like the quality and the build on these. So I'll link them down below if anybody wants them. But yeah, let's get these installed. Let's pull these tires out, and again, it's only 2 bolts, 3 bolts, and that's it. And there it comes out. All I'm doing right now is not leave them exactly the same. I'm gonna go get an alignment in a couple of days, but I do want to take out a little bit of the camber that it's got. So I'm gonna leave it a little past the point where it's at. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. Based on that, I will tighten these up so that way it's secured. This is an eyeball. It's not exactly. What you can do is take a screwdriver and then just put it through. Make sure they both touch. But again, this is an eyeball. It's not identical. So I'm gonna leave them there for now. Depending how that looks, I will adjust them. Cool thing about these is that you have this bolt right here that you can put a wrench to it, and that way you don't have to take it all off. You can just adjust it. So that's where I'm gonna be adjusting from the inside. Again, it's not that far. If you look at it, it's not that far from where I'm at, but I just wanted to get some of it out on my own. So let's install them now. So I do suggest to install these back ones first before you install this one right here. It's just harder to line it up. So I was struggling a little bit to install that one. On the actual car, I put it like this, but on this part, I flipped it and it actually matched up that way. So I didn't put them both upside down. I put one upside down and then the other one like that. So that's how it should come in, just like that. All right, this side's done. I'll go to this side and do the same thing on the other side. All I'm gonna do now is take these and tighten it up for now. So now that's secured and we should be good to go. So I just finished installing both wheels hand tight with my impact. So now I'm about to drop it. Let's see how this camber looks after this. Let's go ahead and drop this thing. The tire looks a lot more more better now. If you see it, it's a lot more flush. And again, that's just this was just a little bit more, but again, I am gonna go get an alignment soon, and after I do the alignment, I should be able to see what more it needs. If you see it from here, you can see a little camber, but again, the camber kit's got more to give, so I'll let the pros deal with it. I just wanted to install it and make a video for you guys. All right, so yeah, that was it for today. CRV camber kit installment. Again, 96 to 2000 Honda Civic is the way to go. Get them cheap, good quality. Again, I'll link them down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See if you want to see any future builds. And till next time, peace.